Activating your Vodafone SIM card in UK is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can activate your Vodafone SIM card in the United Kingdom. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at Google and I'm going to search for Activate SIM card Vodafone. And I'm going to search for that. Now, I'll simply go to this website, which is Activate My Replacement SIM. Now, on the website, you just have to scroll down. You'll be able to see this option, what type of SIM you're activating. So you just need to select that physical or eSIM. It totally depends upon whatever the SIM that you want to activate. Now, here you have to, tell the reason why you want to activate SIM or why your previous SIM was, stolen or whatever the reason you had. So I'm just going to click on, I had the wrong SIM. Now, here, as you guys can see, it totally depends upon my situation, where it will tell you the right solution for your problem. But if you want to, activate your SIM, so you just need to, simply click on this. And as you guys can see, in order to activate your SIM, you need to log into your Vodafone account. You just need to log into your account and you'll easily be able to activate your SIM. Currently in my region, the Vodafone is not available, so I don't have any SIM and I couldn't create an account, so I couldn't log in. But for you, it is pretty easy thing to do. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.